Good morning, folks. Dustin here with Cassidy's Adventures. We are getting ready to head to town to see if I can't get a few things together to make myself a homemade air conditioner type icy breeze thing to see if we can get my camper cooled down where I can use it during this hot summer weather. Hopefully this turns into a decent video. Step one, see if the cooler that I have fits in the camper decently enough to work. I don't know. It's awful big. We may try to get the touch smaller one, or we might just try to make this one work since it's an experiment anyway. Well, I've got a bunch of stuff. Let's go see if we can make this happen. Alright, we are back from a second trip to the store getting different supplies because the first stuff wouldn't work. Let's see if we can make this happen. Alrighty folks, so I have a plan, but I don't really have a plan, but I have an idea. I'm going to try to cut a hole through here, take all these pipes and elbows and make me a little airway through there, and then I'm going to have exhaust come out here, and then hopefully those pipes surrounded by all the ice in there will cool the air as it blows out. We'll see. Fixing to make our first cut. Probably fast forward you guys through a lot of this because don't really know what to say, but I'll let you see it all. Here we go. There's that part. It doesn't have to look good, it just has to perform. I have to make some adjustments on the rubber. I don't think I do have to make adjustments on the rubber. I think I'll just do it this way. Stretch it around the outside of the pipe instead of trying to put it on the inside. That ought to work fine. Yay, another hole. It'll either be right or it won't. intake, exhaust pointing away from the intake. Don't look too bad to me. Now I just gotta line the pipes up. The fun part. Oh well, it'll work. That's close enough, I think. I make some adjustments if I have to after it's all glued in. Now the question is, will it push air through there? Alright, so this was my plan to set up. Oh, excuse me. This little fan that I got. And this pipe. See if it'll push air through there. Not too bad. That should cool my camper off. Oh, now I gotta get this pipe cut off the right length. Just cut it off here below this lid. Call it good and just slip this thing over and off and not glue it. Got some airflow. Alrighty folks, well there's the finished product. What do you think about that? We got this little fan that I bought at a local hardware store. Just a little USB fan. It'll run off any USB battery bank. It seems like I might have to upgrade the fan. It doesn't have a lot of air movement. My other fan does actually work, but it takes a 110, which my Jackery does have, to run it for now, but I might look at a different fan option. Obviously I need to get some ice in it and test it out, but I've got this elbow here. It's not glued or anything. I can actually twist it around. It's kind of directional. And pull it right off. Set the fan out of the way. And that's my setup. It looks like I'm going to have to get a couple little brackets in here. I filled the cooler with water a while ago just for the heck of it, and the thing floats. The pipes float, so I need to get a couple little brackets to hold them down so it don't start floating when the ice melts. But hopefully when I get a whole bunch of ice in this, 3 or 4 bags, whatever, hopefully it'll cool it down and blow some cool air to my camper for me. Alrighty folks, what'd you think about this little video? I'm not too sure how it turned out myself yet, but I'm going to post it anyway. Golly, excuse me. You guys let me know what you think about my idea here. See if you think it'll help cool off my little camper. It's just a 4x8, but you know, maybe it'll do something in there. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Thanks.